Sissy got, honey? Let her touch it. What you got, sis? No, don't bring it to you. You have to go to it.
You touch.
Is that your juicy?
I'm gonna have some if you can't roll over. I'm gonna eat it if you don't roll over. Come on. I'll give it to you if you don't roll over. If you roll over. Okay, come on.
Come on, sis. You can do it. You can do it.
Come on. Aw. Come on. You can do it, baby girl. Look. No. You have to go get it. You can't bring it to you. At least she's rolling over like that. At least she's rolling like that, but then she's going back over.
Okay, sit her up and give her some.
Sissy. Oh, my baby girl. I put her pillow in in case she wasn't very hungry.
Sis.
What are you doing? Oh, you got some, baby? You got some?
What a big girl. What a big girl. What a big girl. That's okay.